Hi there, welcome back to my channel. It's time to open my FabFitFun box for summer 2021. Let's just rip right into it. I'll have to be honest up front, the picks were not my favorite this season, but I thought I'd just go with it. I saw some items I could use, and I did add a couple add-ons that I really wanted just to make it a little more special. So let's just go ahead and get some of this packing material out of here. As always, the box is super cute. And right along the side here, I have my two add-ons. And the first out is my Bent-Go box. It's a little lunch box. The regular retail price is $14.99. I got it for $7. And I just thought it would be super useful because I do pack my lunch for work. I used to videotape it, and I do have some old lunch videos on. I may start it up again, but I need to really brainstorm and think of some new ideas for lunch. I kind of tend to eat the same thing every day, and it gets a little boring. I thought having these little bowls might spice it up a little and encourage me to eat healthier because it's got little divided compartments, and I can use them for like veggies and dip and fruit and all kinds of fun stuff, if I can ever get it open. Okay, here we go. So it's got the little strap that kind of holds them both together. It's like two little boxes. And then it's got the little silverware compartment as well, which is extra handy. And there goes my knife. Got it. And then the top one is just another divided container. It's nice, like if you have your fruit, then it doesn't get everything all soggy. It just keeps everything nicely portioned and divided. So I think I'll have lots of fun packing my lunch in those. Next thing out is probably my favorite thing out of the whole box, the whole everything. And that is the Lily Pulitzer tumbler. It would normally retail for $19.95. I got it for $14. I love the pattern. I actually joined FabFitFun when I saw the mugs in the same pattern advertised. I thought, oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I want to drink tea out of them. And that's how my whole FabFitFun obsession started. So that's officially my new work cup. I drink my iced coffee out of it every day. And now I'm just going to set the big box to the side and take the smaller box out. It'll just be a little easier. They certainly have enough packaging. So here we go. FabFitFun 2021. Let's get into it. So we have the usual suspects up top. FabFitFun promotional code. I'll also link mine down below. Some fun stickers. And the FabFitFun magazine. That's always got a teaser for the next box and some interesting little articles. Then there's just like the marketing packaging. But I'm really interested in what's under that, so let's take a look. First, we've got some Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I'm all into being hydrated, so I'll definitely give those a try. They sound like nice flavors. And then here, I've got the African Botanicals Shimmering Gold Body Oil. That's normally $65. And it'll give you a nice gold shimmer wherever you apply it. I'll have to go light with it. I don't want to end up looking like C-3PO. And here we have the Verso Botanicals Eye Serum. That's also $65 retail. I'm getting to the age where I could use some eye serum, so I thought it might be a good pick. Next up I have the liquid lipstick in Peachy Keen, and that retails for $20. It's from Mented Cosmetics. And the color is just really nice. I feel like that's a good color that'll just complement just about anybody. Next up is the Tarte Moisturizer, and that's $39 value. My skin is dry, so I always need moisturizer, so I figured I might as well stock up. I haven't tried this particular one yet, but I've heard good reviews. The jar is cute. Then we all know I'm obsessed with jewelry, so I did pick up the Bauble Bar kit. It's just a bracelet making kit. It would retail for $38, and I thought it'd be fun to make a couple bracelets of my own. And it's just got a variety of beads in there, and a couple different kinds of string to string them on. I'm currently recovering from surgery, so this might be a fun thing to try while I'm sitting in my recliner. I thought it'd be cool to keep myself occupied. Get some more of this packaging out. And then I have my final item, and that is the L-Space Space Dye Towel. It's like a great big beach towel with a little bit of fringe on the end, and it's tie-dye, which is one of my favorite things right now. I thought this would be nice for like sitting in the yard, at the beach, and maybe even like in the winter months to take to the gym. Sometimes when I'm going in the shower to the locker room, I want something big to just wrap up in and basically hide. But I thought the colors in here were really pretty. The lighting here doesn't really do it justice. It just is like really pretty shades of blue and violet. And that is that for the summer 2021 box. So I'll just give another peek at everything as I put it back in. I am really looking forward to using some of these things. And I can tell already I'm going to have trouble getting this back in the bag. So we'll just leave it like that for now. Moisturizer. Lunch boxes. As soon as I get back on my feet a little more, I will make some lunches in those lunch boxes and tape them and show them to you. I've already got some ideas floating around in my head. My awesome mug. And there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my channel again. I really appreciate it. And hey to all my new viewers, I really appreciate you subscribing. I will see you next time. Take care and have a great weekend.